Hello everyone, my name is Rahul and welcome to my channel Rahul QA Labs. So in today's tutorial, we will be learning about the different HTTP methods that we can use in Postman. So let's start. Okay, so there are different, types of methods available. So each API request uses an HTTP method. So here we can see these are the four basic and frequently used methods. Like first one is the get method, second one is the post, third one is the put, and fourth one is delete. So let's see what is get. Okay, so get method is used to retrieve information from the given server using a given URI. So the basic function of get method is just to retrieve the details or to get the details and show it to you in the form of response. So this is an example that we have taken here. In some time we will execute it on the Postman as well. So this is the basic get method. Coming to next one, we have the post method. So post request is used to send the data to the server, for example like the customer information or file upload using the HTML forms. Okay, so whenever you want to add something, you can use a post method. This is an example. Coming to next one, we have the put method. So put method is basically used for updating. So it replaces all current representations of the target source with the uploaded content. Means whatever values you are providing, that values it will update in place of the values that are already present. Here is another example. And the last one is the delete method. So as the name suggests that it removes the current representations of the target source given by the uniform resource. Okay, so this is the example. So now let us see one by one how we can use these methods in Postman. Okay, so this is the Postman dashboard and I have with me a GET request, that is a test request. So if we click on send, okay, so see, it has given me this data. Now this there are like some sample APIs that are present here. So I have taken APIs from here for testing or learning purpose. Okay, so let us take this get API like list users. So it will provide you with the list of all the users. So let us try this one. Okay, so let's add a request. Okay, and just click on save to test collection. So your request will be saved here. So this is the request. Now let's paste the URL here that we have taken. So this is the get URL. Now let us see what it gives you. Click on send. Okay, see. So it has given you all the details pertaining to the users along with the ID, email, first name, last name. See, all the IDs are present here along with all the details. So if we go here and we see here, so same response you will find here. So all these details you can see here in Postman as well. So this is how we can use a get method to retrieve the response. Now let us take a look at the another type of method, that is post. Okay, so post create. Post is like basically, as I said, that it's used for adding some new values. Okay, so let's copy the URL. We'll go here. We will add again a request and we will give it some name, post request test, and we will save it to the collection. Okay, so don't forget to change the method here as we are dealing with the post method, and you can just click on save. Now take the URL that we have taken, and here you have to provide some body. Body means what you want to add. So the body can be found here. We'll copy this body, select the format, as JSON. Okay, so this is the body. Click on save and then click on send. Okay, so this is the response that you have got. Name, job, what is the ID, created at what particular timestamp. So this is the status of the request. It is 201. That means the request has been fulfilled and resulted in a new resource being created. This is the time it has taken and this is the size. Okay, so next let us see the put method. So again we will add a request, give some name and save to test collection. So this is the put method. We will select it here as put. Now let's take the URL. Yeah, this is the update method, sample method. So just copy this link, paste the link here, copy this body, select the JSON format and paste it. Okay, so this is your body. Let's click on send and let us see the response. Okay, so this Morpheus Xeon resident has been updated and the status is 200. So that means it is fine, and that is the time and this is the size. So this is how you can use a put method, and similarly we can use a delete one. So just create another request and just give some name, add it to the collection, select here delete and copy the URL from the same place. So for delete, yeah, copy link, just save it and let's click on send. Okay, so 204 no content. So the server successfully processed the request, but it is not returning any content. So this is the time and this is the size. So these are like the four basic types of method that we can use and implement in Postman. There are several other methods as well, like purge, log, unlog, that we will see in our later tutorials. So thank you very much guys for watching my video, and if you like the video, do subscribe my channel and always keep learning and sharing the knowledge. Thank you. Bye bye.